Hello po, andito na ako sa Tirona High School, Gakawit. Ito ang Alumni Hall, Principal's Office, ABR, Guidance Office ng Junior High, Canteen. Happy Earth Day to you po, and love day to you po sa Tirona High School, Dambakal, Gakawit. Ito ang Building 4. Ito ang covered court, Canteen, Annex. Ito ang building 2. Repainted na po ang covered court, stage, restroom, library, museum, APDep faculty, MAPEDEP. Ito ang Imelda building. Ito ang building 3. Ito ang faculty room nila Ma'am Jade Palaginog. Ito ang bago faculty, Annex, Com Lab sa dulo, corridor, hallway, canteen annex ulit. Faculty room, guidance office ng senior high. Happy Earth Love Day to all in Tirona High School, Gakawit, Dambakal, Gakawit. And that's all for today. Thank you. God bless us all. Bye.